Modern cybersecurity starts with the right foundation, and FortiGate is where it begins. FortiGate Security is a hands-on, instructor-led training course designed for professionals who manage, configure, and monitor FortiGate firewalls to protect organizational networks. Over 15 hours of immersive learning, including 9 hours of lectures and 6 hours of guided labs. You'll develop practical, job-ready skills across FortiGate's core security features. You'll learn to configure and manage firewall policies, apply NAT techniques, including port forwarding and destination NAT, authenticate users through policy-based controls, inspect encrypted traffic and manage digital certificates, deploy IPS, antivirus, application control, and web filtering, understand and implement the Fortinet Security Fabric, diagnose threats like viruses, torrents, and DOS attacks. Whether you're responsible for securing enterprise infrastructure or supporting MSSP environments, this course equips you with the confidence to apply security profiles and policy controls effectively. You'll follow a structured agenda that covers the full FortiGate security lifecycle, from setup and policy enforcement to advanced threat protection. This course, along with FortiGate infrastructure, also prepares you for the Fortinet NSE 4, FortiOS 7.2 exam, part of the professional certification track in network security, cloud security, and security operations. Delivered by Datacipher, Fortinet's authorized training partner, you can choose between live instructor-led sessions or self-paced training, with access to labs and training resources designed for real-world readiness. Build your security fundamentals. Train with Datacipher. Master FortiGate. Get NSE 4 certified.